G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the On Cloud 5 waterproof shoes in the metal navy color, and I've got them in a US men's 11.5. Now, I have already done a video overview of these shoes, and you might recall that last time I did them, they looked a little bit more green, like these ones. So, why did I get another pair when these ones were still looking pretty good? Well, they died. So these ones, the heel split. Yeah, it's not really meant to do that. And this one's starting to do it too, but mostly this one, like it's separating. On kindly replaced them under warranty for me, because I only had them for about 4 months before that happened. But On now has this nice blue color in the metal navy, which I like so much more than this green color. So I haven't shown you the blue ones yet, obviously. I've just shown you the box. So we're gonna unbox them, and I'm gonna go through, give you an overview of them, try them on, so you can see what this new color looks like on. And I'm going to give you a bit more feedback just generally in my review of them, seeing as how I've actually had these for quite a while now. And as you can see, these shoes have gotten quite well used. So I can give you a pretty good review on them at this point. Obviously, that heel splitting, not a great thing, but On did flag it as a clear warranty issue. So I assume that means it doesn't happen very often. Or I certainly hope not. We'll find out if it happens again in 4 months, right? So now that I've said all of this, if you're going to get yourself a set of these, check out the affiliate links down in the description. Maybe not these ones. These ones have seen better days, but like the new ones that I've got, check out those affiliate links down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one from me. Now, let's unbox these shoes and check them out. So, this is them, the On Cloud 5 waterproof. So, as usual with these quick lace systems of Ons, they also include laces as an alternative option, so you can use the quick laces or normal laces, and the shoes do have loops there for you to run those laces through if that is the type of system you prefer. If you watched any of my other videos though, you know I like the quick lace systems better. If you haven't watched them yet, go check those out for more shoe reviews and other travel related stuff from me. So this is them. As you can see with this new color, they have not changed anything from the other colors that were released initially in the On Cloud 5 range. And these shoes feature a polyester or synthetic and textile upper. So this section all through here around the heel and over to the other side is all a firmer plastic, and that provides quite a bit of support around your ankle and around the laces. So that's awesome. And around your heel here, it's actually really, really firm. So there's plenty of ankle support for such a low cut shoe, making it ideal for hiking and everyday wear. And then of course, the rest of the upper, we have this textile mesh and of course synthetic. And this mesh makes the toe box area quite breathable. It's really quite nice. You may have noticed we've got these silver strips everywhere on the outside and the inside of the shoe, and of course on the heel as well, plus the On logos all being the same silver color. So these are all reflective, which is also awesome for a walking or hiking shoe, particularly if you're planning on using it in low light conditions, and of course great for traveling too, where you potentially are getting around in low light conditions, because it helps make you that bit more visible. So I love that about these shoes. Also on the outer here, on the right shoe, we've got the Swiss flag and that Swiss engineering text, as is iconic of On. It is not on the left boot, only on the right. If we head to the inside, it has a waterproof liner, and the tongue is fixed in order to ensure that liner actually is waterproof. So the tongue is fixed at this point, which sits here just under this gap between these two laces. But of course, if it's higher than this, it's already coming over the top of the boot here anyway. So you want to keep any water below that point in order to ensure it doesn't get in the shoe. Anything below that though shouldn't come in, because these are waterproof. And they do a remarkable job of staying waterproof as well, especially considering they do use such a breathable mesh, and they do breathe really well. Coming to the inside, we have a textile lining, and the insole is removable, so you can use your own one if you prefer. It is quite thick and does give you a lot of cushion under that ball of your foot, and it's quite a decent amount under your heel as well. Continuing down into the sole of the shoe, we have the On Speedboard, which is designed to turn your landings into forward motion, and it does do a great job of that. And then we've got our midsole, which is this navy EVA foam section featuring On's iconic Cloud Tech sole, and these pods offer a lot of compression and a lot of cushion. Heading down to the outsole itself, we do have just the straight EVA foam for these 2 pods and these 4 pods under that arch area, but then the rest of the outsole, the high impact areas like the ball of your foot, the heel, and of course coming up into the toe area, have this much harder rubberized outsole on them. And so that is designed to take those bigger impacts and to wear more effectively than the EVA foam would be on its own. And they should also give you more grip. Coming up the front of the toe, we do have the On logo on the toe protector here, which is also that harder rubberized finish to protect your toe area from impacts and scuffs and so on. So that is the On Cloud 5 waterproof shoes. Let's stick these on and see how they look and how they feel. I'm super excited about these. Ever since I lost my old ones with that heel split, I've been without a good walking shoe, and it's been raining all the time. So I've had a lot of wet feet in the mornings when I go walking, which is not what anyone wants. First impression, definitely lots of cushion under that ball of the foot. And as always, with that speedboard, I feel like these shoes do just want to move forward. They just want to roll forward, which is really nice. I've commented on that before with these. The big one for me with these, there certainly is a lot of cushion under the heel of my foot, which is really nice, and also under the ball of the foot. It compresses there well. I am an 11.5 with the 5th generation of these shoes. On said, you don't have to size up anymore. They're no longer a small sizing. It is not true though. An 11, I normally wear an 11, and I have to go up to an 11.5 in these shoes. So that means my big toe is sitting here just under an index finger's width from the front of the shoe, which is pretty much perfect for me. Unless you have a super broad foot, I would recommend going up half a size. Unfortunately, On does make these in half sizes, so you can do that. The only time I think you would not need to size up is if you have a very narrow foot. And so I'm thinking like Nike sizes, you would probably wear the same size as you would in a Nike. So definitely be aware of that. I recommend going up half a size in these rather than a whole size like in the previous generation. So you can probably see a bit better from this angle, the way that they compress under your heel and under the ball of your foot. And I personally really like it. I think they feel so good. These really are a very comfortable shoe to wear all day. It is worth noting, they certainly are firm around the sides of your foot and your heel, and even underneath your foot. They do have a firm feel to that cushion. It's not like soft and squishy, but it is like it compresses and supports at the same time. It makes them really great for a lot of walking, a lot of standing, hard surfaces like this one. I love these shoes. I find them so comfortable. I love this new color too. I think it is such a nicer color. And while these are certainly never going to be a casual dress shoe, I think this color is certainly more versatile, and you could potentially get away with wearing it in more places for more types of occasions than the other colors that are available in this style. Now, I have found with my previous ones, when wearing these, that if they get wet, these pods do tend to squeak when you're walking, and it can be quite loud. I don't know whether that's going to be the case with these ones. We'll have to see, but I'm keen to find out. But that's not the only negative there is for me about these shoes and my experience with them. So I'm super stoked to have these shoes back. On was pretty quick with warranty and was pretty good with it. I actually have my new shoes in under 2 weeks in total, which is awesome. I'm super stoked about that because now I can wear these babies again. I love these shoes. Honestly, there is no sponsorship or anything here. I don't get paid to say this. I just really love these shoes. They're awesome. Even with that issue that I had with the last pair, I still love these shoes. I'm sorry if it's creeping you out a little bit. Just such a comfortable, versatile, waterproof, awesome shoe. And they match my shirt at the moment too. So anyway, I'm waffling, but that is the On Cloud 5 waterproof all-day travel shoe. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these guys, check out the affiliate links down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. I promise you, I'm not quite so gushy about any other shoes yet. I reserve the right to be in the future. But I hope you've enjoyed this nevertheless, and that I see you around here again soon. Have an awesome one, guys, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.